Hello, my name is Harley Harrison with Leer. Today we're doing an install on an HF650M. The HF650M comes with two-piece part rail. The hardware part of the rail goes towards the front. Take your 2.5mm Allen wrench. Tighten your screws. Double check your other ones. Step 2, add the foam block to the front of the rail. Next step, install your rail. Slide it all the way forward. Clip your clamp in. Just slightly tighten up the bottom screw. Fully tighten the top one. Make sure you have a clamp next to your prop ball. And repeat the same steps on the other side. After installing your rails, pick your units up and set it towards the front of the bulkhead. Make sure you're pulling your flap seal out. For demonstration purposes only, we want to show you how to engage the clamp from the underside of the cover. We're going to open the cover. Grab your clamp, engage it into the cover slot. Slide it over until it engages into the rail slot. Tighten both of the nuts, making sure that the clamp is vertical and not tipped at one side or the other. If so, the unit needs to be slightly adjusted. If this is not done, the cover will not be squared when you go to close it. Take your secondary clamp, clip it in place, and repeat this on the other side. After installing your clamps, unclip your straps. Release your pinch latch. Grab your prop rod, making sure that your release part is going down towards the rail. Put it into its little slot. After installing your prop rods, you want to close the unit to make sure that your Cync Latch is engaged. This completes our install on our HF650M. Thank you for watching.